Welcome back to Heart to Engine. Bienvenidos. Today we're going to be replacing the transmission on this 03 Chevy Trailblazer. Vamos a estar cambiando la transmisión en the 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. We're going to be taking out the old one. And we have a freshly rebuilt one over here. It's been modified by the transmission shop, more upgraded. So it's a good transmission. Es una buena transmisión, está modificada. So you want to take it over there. I'll put the address in the description. It's a tedious process. See, I got my mechanic George right there. You know what he's doing. He does about, ¿qué clase de transmisión son estas, George?
Es 4L60.
Yeah, 4L60. He does about 3 a week. Haces como 3 a la semana. So he knows everything about these. So, yeah. Should be easy.
So, that's it. Connected the battery. Take it out the DC transmission. And
that's it.
Go do it.
There you go, that's it. He got the spirit.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me?
Ya le hubieras pintado los platos esos por dentro con una pintura negra, era porque se le van a podrir y luego los vas a tener que cambiar.
I'll do it. When it's time. ¿Qué así?
Oh man. Esto no va así, David.
So what is that, Mickey Mouse?
Yup.
My truck Mickey Mouse?
Oh man. ¿Qué se lo pondría tú?
Previous owner, maybe?
Maybe no sirve el shifting cable también. Maybe ya se dañó de ahí. Deja ver si este Manuel tiene uno por ahí de estos, si no vamos a tener que cambiar. No va a entrar eso. ¿Qué loquerías y qué loqueras hicieron estos camaradas? Estos dos van a ser 2 piezas, hijo, 2 llaves. Porque, porque no cabe aquí la...
That could be done in another day.
¿Uy? ¿Le pegaron por ahí un carro?
I'm gonna go check. Did you get out the shift cable? Do you have to?
Oh yeah, baby. Yeah.
Alright, cool. Shift cable, just pretty much pry it out from right there.
Vaya. Remove no touch.
So you pry the shift cable from right here. Somewhere right there. It's dust. And you put it from neutral right here. Car experience. Finishing taking out the dry shaft.
Yes, baby.
Man, it's not bad though, George. It's a 2003. Ya tiene 20 years.
Yep.
Not rusted through. No se le mete tanto sarro. Solid frame. No, they don't build them like how they used to. Just my dry shaft is all rusted. There you go.
Ay, David, ya lo pudrió esta troca.
No, it's good. Take it out. Oh, you got it. Your joints still work, right?
Think que yes.
Yeah, for 20 years.
No buenos, pero bueno. I think que yes.
We're good. No more money. I'm wasting too much money. A lot of money.
Okay. Ahí vamos. Baby.
Alright, now what? What's the next step, Jorge? Next step.
Next, let's take it out of the transmission.
They're size 11 millimeter as well. Son onces. And we're using snap-on. George doesn't like my Ryobi tools.
I believe in the better day. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Those are 15, right, George?
Yeah.
2 bolts.
2 bolts and the transmission mount.
Yeah, there you go. Transmission.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't.
So, quitamos estos tornillos, son 8. Eso lo afloja a little bit, loosen these a little bit, because you still have some at the top part. Yeah. Should be easy. It's barely 140. Again, size 18, son 18. You have 4, tienes 4.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for
Mira. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo carajo está puesto este? ¿Dónde está atornillado?
Go to that canister?
Yeah.
I didn't take the canister out.
¿Así? Pero no se mueve. Es así, según, ¿no? Ahí está. ¿A poco así saldrá? No, no creo.
So, what you do is, you pry it off from there. It's held by clips. Take it off. Then we'll grab this again. Shove it in here. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta push it back.
¿Back?
Yeah, I have to push it back. Yeah. Because it's like clip. I'll show you right now. The diseño.
Tiene un clip ahí.
Yeah. Now, done.
¿Ya?
Yeah.
Ok. Nada más quiero sacarle el puro bolt. ¿Ya?
Yeah.
Ok. ¿Cuál clip?
That clip.
¿Es?
Yeah, you pop it off from right there.
Oh.
You push it this way.
Ok, ok. Y ya después nomás lo puchas así, como de allá primero vas a pucharlo para entrarlo, yo creo. Ok, anyways. Ya lo sacaste. Y ahora se saca este.
Yeah, the bolt. There you go. We teach you how to change the canister. Hopefully we didn't break it.
every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Yes.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me.
¿Soporte de transmisión o soporte de mofle?
Este es del de la transmisión.
Others need fun, some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need is some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Speed sensor.
All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Okay.